In this video, we are going to look at how to insert a quick link to other course components within your course, either within the content or within the announcements. Now, this can be really useful for things like a daily agenda, where you can say, hey, this is what we're working on today in an announcement, and you can include links to all the content, any discussions, the virtual classroom or Teams meeting, all that stuff can be located right there. So the students have easy access to everything that's happening that day. So let's just look at that example and we'll do it in that context. So if we create a new announcement, and we'll say today's agenda, and let's start just adding some stuff here. So let's say we wanted to put a quick link to the course content section that we're doing. So if you click on that quick link, insert quick link button, you can just go to content and you'll see all the content laid out here. And let's say it's an onboarding activity. And let's say growth mindset, the power of mistakes. But it just puts that link right there. So as soon as the students click on it, they go to that part of the content. Now let's say you want to put a link to the Microsoft Teams meeting. Now, again, we've talked about that in another video, but again, you can create the link to your Microsoft Teams meeting, and you can actually create the meeting and schedule the meeting right within Brightspace here. So to do that, insert quick link down to Microsoft Teams meeting. And then we can, it might ask you to log in or sign in. You just click on it, it'll automatically do it. But now we can just create meeting link. Today's meeting, whenever you want to schedule it for, and create. And then insert. So now students know to come right into Brightspace for all of the things you're doing, whether it's your content or your Microsoft Teams meeting. Now you can also do this with virtual classroom. With a virtual classroom meeting, again, insert quick link down to virtual classroom. You can either select from existing meetings that you've created. So say you've already created this within virtual classroom, you can link to it, or you can schedule a new meeting. So say you just want to schedule today's class and link to it all at the same time. You can do that. You can set all your settings here and then go save. Oh, I forgot to put the date. Actually, I'll put it now. There we go. Click save. And this is where it could take a few minutes depending on the situation, right? It could take anywhere from 5 seconds to 30 or 45 seconds here. So interesting note there, since I clicked save twice, it actually created 2 meetings. So just be careful. When you click save, it takes a while. So just be patient, but if you get impatient and click save again, it'll actually create 2 meetings. So let's pick whichever meeting we want to link to, and then that link will show up right here. So again, that's our Teams meeting, that's our virtual classroom meeting, and you could do the same thing for assignments, discussions, and all that. And what's interesting about things like assignments and discussions is that you can link to an existing one or create a new one. So say you wanted to create a new discussion just for today that you haven't created yet, you could click on insert quick link, go to discussions, and you could create a new discussion forum, or if you wanted to do it within an existing discussion forum, you could create new discussion topic, say, and you put like today's discussion. You could do that, or you could link it to an existing one. All right, but that's how you can link to any other course content right within an announcement or your content. And again, it's awesome for kind of centrally locating all the links to all the resources you're going to need at a particular day or in a particular time.